We are gonna make a high protein chocolate peanut butter mousse that's only 530 calories, 60 grams of protein, only 33 grams of carbs, and 12 grams of fat. Now, before we begin, for those of you who don't know who I am, my name is Tim Ernst. I'm an intermittent keto fasting coach who has personally lost 70 pounds in 7 months doing a combination of keto, intermittent fasting, and strength training. And I've also coached hundreds of high-performing men over the age of 40 to lose at least 40 pounds in 16 weeks using my Keto Shed 40 coaching program. If you want more information on that, I'll go ahead and drop a link in the description of this video. When you click that link, it'll take you to another video and kind of explain more in detail as to how I could potentially help you. So let's get started. First, you're gonna get 1 packet of 0 sugar instant chocolate pudding. So we'll go ahead and we'll open this up. You're gonna put the whole packet in there. So remember, it's gotta be 0 sugar. All right, we're gonna dump that whole thing in there. Next, you're gonna get some PB2, 4 tablespoons. So we're gonna get that nice peanut butter flavor. So we've got 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we mix. Mix all the dry ingredients first. Get it nice and mixed in there. Now we are going to, whatever protein drink that you can get, doesn't have to be this one. I got 1 Lean Body chocolate peanut butter protein shake. This has 40 grams of protein. So we're gonna go ahead. We are just going to pour. All right. Now we are going to mix. So you want to make sure to blend this up really, really good. And as it starts coming together, bump up that speed. All right, it's already coming together. All right, here we go. Nice and smooth. All right, so we've got that. Make sure it's nice and blended in there. Sometimes you might get a little bit of dry powder in there, so we'll just keep going. All right. And one of the main reasons why I am making this today is because just 2 days ago, I had my wisdom tooth pulled and they said, you're only gonna be able to eat soft foods. So guess what? Chocolate peanut butter mousse is on the menu. Plus, it's gonna satisfy that sweet tooth, all right? Now, the next thing you wanna do is, just set that right there. You're gonna get 0 sugar Lily's chocolate chips. And you want to go ahead and you're just going to put a little bit in there. Not too much, just a little bit. Just to give it a little extra crunch. I'll have to be careful because of the wisdom tooth. Now we're just going to go ahead and mix this at a low setting just to kind of incorporate those chocolate chips. And it's already getting nice and thick already. All right. Next, real simple. You are just going to cover this with a cover and you're going to put it in the refrigerator for about 30, maybe 40 minutes. So that way it kind of congeals and gets nice and thick. And obviously you can't let this go to waste. Once you pull it out of the fridge, you're gonna go ahead and take that top off. When it's nice and cool and been chilling for a little bit in the refrigerator, you're gonna get some zero sugar Ready Whip. All right, and we're just gonna go ahead and we're just gonna put that all on there. And there you have it. You have your high protein chocolate peanut butter mousse that is absolutely amazing, high protein, and low in calorie.